What you might see as unusual. The Hadza tribe of Tanzania sees as nature's gift pure, powerful nutrition. Beneath the shade of a towering baobab tree, a Hadza mother prepares a meal from today's hunt, bush rat. No spices, no modern tools, just fire and water. Every part is used, every bite valued, fueling both her body and her child's. This is survival in its most honest form, man. Intimate bond with the wild. There is no waste, no industrial process, only a direct relationship between people and the land that sustains them. As she feeds her child, she passes down more than nourishment. She transfers resilience, ancestral knowledge, and the wisdom of living within nature's rhythm. In a world of convenience and excess, the Hadza remind us of something powerful. True luxury is the ability to survive in harmony with the earth. Different is not strange, it is strength. And survival is humanity's oldest art.